got pin number 2 made. So this one here I honed the outside to be a little smoother, so this one fits in the cover a little better. It's the same size as the other one, but it fits in a little cleaner because it doesn't dig in so much. You hear the clearance, it's barely got anything. It's got 1.5 thou or so in there at most. Basically about 1 thou is what it should be. Okay, this one here, it's about 1/3 of a thou tighter. So let's see how it goes in. Gasket fits fine, that's good. Nice plug fit like the other one. Custom made gasket, works perfect. There you go. Looks like it's made for it and everything. It's all in there good. Okay, now I still haven't done anything about the fitness, the tightness of these bushings. Everything's at 0 clearances, so this is the, once again, this is the hardest to put it together and take it apart for right now. We got no room for extra clearances. This is obviously press fit. We only got the clearance out bushing, which is just normal, and this is tight, really tight. So let's see what it does this time. Should go right on. So the hardest thing is getting over the pinion bushing. There's no extra clearance on it. Tooth engagement. Nice and tight. Just rotate though. There it goes. Got to get everything lined up just right. Crank still moves. Alright, it's in there tight. Put a few screws in here for the hell of it. See if I can still rotate the cam like it's supposed to. No, I thought I had another one of these. Okay, let's see what we got here. Dowels look nice, nice and flush. I like that. Cover goes right down against the surface, no binding. It's laying right against it. Things are misaligned, the cover will be up a little bit, you push it down, it has to go down a little bit before it touches. These screws, when they hit, they don't go any further. Boom, right there. No secondary compression. Okay, this screw here ain't happy. Gasket might have been binding on it or something, not sure. Going hard all the way, didn't do that. I think I used that screw before. I don't know if I ever used that one before. It might be the first time. Usually I skip to the bottom, so yeah, I think it's probably the first time I put that screw in. It wasn't happy. Boom, right there, just eighth of a turn tight. No screwing around. Rotates around like it's supposed to. Yeah, it's pretty tight. Rotate all the way in full circle. Camo that. Oh, there's this coming around this way. Here we go. Get the camo back, I can pull the cover up. Okay, I went around 2 full turns, so definitely tight because everything that looks like that cam is pressed in. There's no fitment on that bush. So that's a tight fit on that one, but it rotated. Burnishing in the high spots on that cam. So I beat that one in there so it's tight. It's the same drag all the way around the full 2 turns. No extra binding. Okay. You can see how the dowel pins are nice and flush where they belong. Just slightly below the surface. Throw a little bit of paint on those and look perfect. Nice and clean. Alright, here's the fun part. Getting this cover back off. How hard is it going to be? Probably pretty hard. I'm guessing really hard. Oh. Cam washer came out. That's why I heard some clunking noise in there. Okay. Same deal, we're binding on this side because this has the worst surface wear. So hidden over here, it vibrates and pop it up. It's actually come up easier than it did the first time. Alright, she came right up. Not bad. So now I get to pull this cam out. That's how hard it rotated. Yeah, about that hard. There we go. Yeah, it was kind of tight in the bushing there. That's my new tool, alignment tool. So you can see how the burnishing the bushing in there. See all the shiny spots in there? Quite a bit. And this one over here looks pretty even all the way around. We will have to open that one up also. Okay. Overall, that worked pretty good. Crank is not rotates all right. Okay. I think we're pretty good to go on this. All right. So now I gotta ring those two bushings in, so get all this clean up, we'll be back.